Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest and home to 5 million people on earth, faces multiple challenges today. Major means of livelihood for the inhabitants of this region is paddy cultivation and fishing. Women folk of this region are mostly marginally employed or unemployed, whose lives are surrounded by vagaries of nature. However, they are active participants in several fishing activities like fish seed collection, dry fishing, pisciculture in kitchen pond, etc. Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute of ICAR takes special interest to empower the women of this region by utilizing the untapped resources. Being a premier research institute for sustainable management of inland open water and human resources, CIFRI makes a move to reach two of the remotest islands of Sundarbans, Amtoli and Kochukhali, which are connected only through water channels. It attempts to reach the unreached fishing communities with various participatory tools like transit walk, resource mapping, social mapping, and on-field problem identification. Regular mass awareness campaign and one-to-one interactive sessions are also arranged to sensitize fisher women on profit-making ventures like ornamental fisheries, value addition, setting up market linkage by forming self-help groups and other entrepreneurial activities.
Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, Barakpur, has been initiated the Gender Mainstreaming and Women Empowerment Program. If you look into the Sundarban areas, the only prime occupation is household by the larger group of women. Besides that, they catch prawn larvae from the Sundarban area and fish. To promote this, we are empowering the women of the Sundarban areas in the fisheries development. Besides that, we are bringing ornamental units in the different remote part of the Sundarban and involving the tribal people in the canal fisheries development.
They are also invited in the headquarters of the institute at Barakpur, where they are reoriented and mobilized on livelihood improvement and building resilience through scientific fishery management. CIFRI is determined to make its footprint visible in the lives of this vulnerable section of society, residing in the farthest unreached corners of the country, to ensure both ecological and livelihood security.